In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay Express Transit card not working. First, go to your iPhone settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and select Express Transit card. Then make sure the correct card is selected and that Express Transit is turned on for that card. Next, check that your card is supported for express transit in your region and that it has sufficient balance or available funds, since low balance or unsupported cards won't work with express transit. You should also make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS or watchOS version and restart it to refresh the system process. If the card still isn't working, remove the Express Transit card from wallet and add it back again. Then, re-enable Express Transit for the card. And finally, check with your card issuer or transit authority to confirm there are no service outage or restrictions affecting Express Transit payments. So that's it.